Good morning, everyone. Niami sa town, nangita mi og dog food para ni Zoe. Let's see unsay among mapilian danhi. Pwede pod madala danhi ang mga pets para pod sila maka-shower. Look here. Pero dili mong guna among dog, guys. Sa friend ni Brian. For Brian said mga 20 years na nga friends sila. At the same time, danhi mi nagpuyo sa ilang apartment. So, nag-vacation man sila. Kami say nag-atiman sa ilang dog. Okay. Ang diet niya is combination of meat, vegetable, and fruit. So, mao ni among gipangita sa dog food. Okay, guys, muna ni among napili, guys.
That's it for today?
Yes, thank you.
7:39. You got it.
Okay.
Bye now.
Hi guys, good morning. Morning, sweetheart.
Morning.
Where are we going? To check the...
We're going to look at an old camper,
Okay.
truck camper. See if it's any good. Camping. Goes in the back of the pickup truck.
Yeah. Oh, we will see. It's sunny day today, but it's freezing. Still cold outside. The sun has no power yet over the cold. Okay, snow is still there. So how many minutes from here?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay. Just turning to the highway. Barato ra siya, guys. Gi-check sa akong husband. Gi-check ni Brian. We hope, sweetheart, no? If it is functioning still, no?
It says, well, for $250 you can't expect a lot, but it says the furnace isn't working, the heater, the fridge isn't working, but the furnace I can replace, those you can find them cheap.
Yeah.
The fridge is a bit different, they're a bit more complicated.
Yeah.
As long as it's structurally sound, for $250,
Yeah.
it's the second day of blue skies. We haven't had blue skies for the last couple of weeks with all the fog that we've had.
Right.
We turn left here.
Okay.
It's a dangerous road, this.
Because there's no turning...
No turn lane. It's very
Turn lane, yeah. Oop.
495.
Number 3477.
Yeah. 89. I think that's where the yellow truck is, maybe.
This one
Yeah,
here.
it is.
That's the camper, oh.
Yeah. Just park here.
We're here. It looks like that's the camper that's for sale, guys.
Yeah, so like it is what it is. It doesn't smell. The roof's peeling a little bit, but
So 250, guys.
once you put some things in there,
A small camper. Brian
I
is
don't
checking
water
if...
in it. When we go camping, I basically fill my cooler full of ice. I'll bring a big jug of cold drinking water,
Yeah.
and the table works if you want it. But I usually just throw our stuff on there. The bedding goes up top. I slide my cooler in here and I shut the door. Actually, I just opened the door too. The door's been shut all winter, and
Okay.
It does not leak, the roof?
no. It's peeling. There's probably a little bit in there. I mean, honestly, I tarp
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
but there's no mold. Like you can see, there's no mold. It doesn't have a smell.
Yeah.
that works. I just got the tarp on the top, and
Yeah.
I got rid of the bunk up top there
Yeah.
because it was just more weight.
Yeah.
So that's just storage up there, and then this here you can set up with the table if that's what you want to do. And whenever we would go camping, we would just go set up our chairs and maybe a picnic table, and we would only sleep in it.
Yeah.
Like we never ate, we never cooked in it.
Ah, really?
No. I would just put some food, ketchup in there, and then we'd have the coolers. That's like everything was just done with coolers. So as soon as we got to our site, we'd just pull them out,
Okay.
throw it on the ground, and then we had a bed. And then when I was single, I would go to concerts.
Oh, okay.
I'd go park in the parking lot at like a concert with my buddies and
Okay.
just sleep in there.
So just a place to sleep.
It's basically just a place to sleep.
Yeah.
So that's why it's it's cheap and.
Yeah.
I got some people who are like, how much does it weigh? And asking me all these questions like it's $250. It's not.
Yeah. That's what I said to Roy. I said, we can't expect a lot. I don't care if the fridge doesn't work or the furnace, I can fix those. It's this that's.
Yeah, well.
It's just. As long as the structure was good, I think I'm going to say no because of this.
Okay.
But I don't mind working on campers, and I mean at the price, it's a good hunters.
Yeah.
But
I only used it. We only used it in the summer.
Yeah.
And we went and bought it.
For $250, it's a good hunter's camper. But the roof is so bad. I don't want to bother with it, even for free. We could have taken it for free, he said. But no, I'd spend the next 2 months rebuilding it. We want something that we can use pretty quickly.
Yeah. And you think you will spend money to rebuild it?
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, you'd have to buy all the wood to replace the rotten wood,
Okay.
and then the skylight where I was stood was broken. So that's another. There's some online right now selling, but you could spend another $400 or $500 really quick.
Yeah.
So if we had wood throwing around, it wouldn't be so bad, but we don't have any spare wood or nothing, so and we want to be able to just fix it up and throw it in the back of the truck and go.
Okay guys, that's it for our
That's the adventure. Sunday morning excitement over with.
Guys, nangatunaw na ang snow guys. Nag-warm up naman siya. Although this morning, freezing pa, 0. Zoe! I'm here. Come, look at the camera. You are the star.
She wants to go nuts. Well, you're not going nuts. Your hair's getting long. This big ball of fluff.
Oh, no.
Well, that's your own fault. You do that.
Are we good to walk?
Yeah. Hey,
We'll go for a walk, guys.
hey, stop.
Come on. Heel. Gusto niya mag-walk, play, dagan. Ano niyang gusto. Hey, Zoe. Guys, this is Zoe. A golden retriever poodle. Okay, let's go for a walk. Just quickly. Quick walk. Tugnaw pa guys. Ang kamot, tugnaw na kayo. Freezing na. She walks very fast. Faster than me. Heel. Quiet man yung area guys nga napuyan. It's It's nice to walk. It's nice to go for a walk. Especially kung na ay imong dog. Okay, let's go back. Alas 10 na sa buntag, kapin. Pero grabe pagyapong katugnaw akong kamo. Kuan ang good guys. Hangin ba? The wind. Nagdala og chill. Nagdala og bugnaw ba? We're going home. Uy! Man. Let's get in. Okay. So your pen. Oh, my hand is very cold. Yeah, my hand is very cold. Yeah, Peter, can you?
Down?
I have my gloves, but because I am bringing the camera. Okay, back to the pen.
Down. Sit. I know, we'll go out next and run around. I need to go start it. You can flip around the eye. Ooh.